Here I have SOYES S10 Mini, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you can just open phone, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret code, which is *06#, and here you can see IMEI information. And the second method, you can just go to settings, then scroll down to the bottom, go to the about phone section, and here you can find then you have to go to status, and here in the IMEI information you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also a serial number here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.